Welcome to our channel. In this video we will taking about mastering Forex candlestick patterns, a comprehensive guide for traders. Let's get started. In the perpetually evolving and dynamic landscape of Forex trading, a deep dive into the intricate realm of candlestick patterns emerges as a transformative skill with the potential to significantly enhance your trading prowess. These candlestick patterns, meticulously woven into the fabric of market charts, hold within them a treasure trove of insights into the subtle and nuanced fluctuations of market trends. They act as guiding beacons, empowering traders to make informed and astute decisions that seamlessly translate into the ability to seize lucrative opportunities. Throughout this expansive and all-encompassing guide, we are poised to embark on an illuminating expedition through the complex and multifaceted domain of mastering Forex candlestick patterns. This journey is meticulously designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and finesse required to adeptly navigate the sprawling Forex market, all while maintaining an unwavering sense of confidence and precision in your trading endeavors. Revealing the innate power of candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns, akin to eloquent visual narratives, encapsulate the very essence of price dynamics across various timeframes. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these patterns convey an invaluable wealth of information. They lay bare not only the opening and closing prices but also the zeniths and nadirs that the price encounters during the specified period. By deciphering the recurring motifs woven within these patterns, traders unlock the potential to predict impending market oscillations. This predictive capability, in turn, gives rise to strategic entry and exit points infused with a sense of calculated mastery. Deciphering the enigma: ubiquitous candlestick patterns. Bullish engulfing pattern. As we set foot on this exploratory journey, the bullish engulfing pattern emerges as a harbinger of potential transformation. Often making its appearance against the backdrop of a downtrend, it heralds the possibility of a shift towards an uptrend. This metamorphic shift is choreographed by the symphony of a diminutive bearish candle being eclipsed by the crescendo of a grander bullish counterpart. This visual representation elegantly signifies the ascendancy of buyer influence, ushering in a potentially bullish market sentiment. Bearish harem. The bearish harem presents a narrative of skepticism amidst ongoing bullish momentum. Set against the canvas of a bullish trend, it unfolds as a substantial bullish candle punctuated by the appearance of a diminutive bearish envoy. The juxtaposition of these varying sizes foreshadows the potential advent of a market sentiment shift. This shift can be likened to a contemplative interlude within the vibrant symphony of market movements, prompting traders to reassess prevailing trends. Doji. The doji, reminiscent of a fleeting moment of suspended animation, mirrors the market's indecisiveness through the symmetrical alignment of opening and closing prices. This poignant equilibrium hints at the potential for an impending trend reversal. It serves as a clarion call, urging traders to exercise vigilance and discernment at the crossroads of dynamic market forces, signaling a period of potential market indecision and impending volatility. Hammer. Functioning as a metaphorical gavel within the realm of Forex trading, the hammer etches a picture of resurgence following a period of bearish dominance. With its modest body and elongated lower shadow, this pattern heralds the potential emergence of a bullish phoenix. It serves as a testament to the fervent buying pressure that boldly contends against the undertow of a downtrend, potentially heralding a market reversal. The Odyssey of Proficiency, a comprehensive handbook for traders. Embarking on the journey to master the symphony of Forex candlestick patterns demands an unwavering commitment to enlightenment and an insatiable appetite for knowledge acquisition. As your guiding light on this expedition, we have meticulously crafted a comprehensive compendium that caters to both novice initiates and seasoned voyagers in the realm of trading. Deconstructing the anatomy of candlestick patterns. Before delving into the realm of pattern analysis, it is imperative to delve into the very essence of a candlestick's architecture. Each candle unfolds as an intricate tapestry woven from a body that encapsulates the price spectrum between its inception and culmination. Accompanying this body, the wicks stand as vigilant sentinels, marking the pinnacle highs and cavernous lows of price oscillations. This holistic understanding of candlestick anatomy forms the foundation upon which the art of pattern recognition is built. Illustrating patterns through tangible scenarios. Elevating the learning experience, let us traverse through tangible scenarios. Imagine encountering a bullish engulfing pattern gracing a currency pair chart. This aesthetically pleasing pattern heralds seismic potential, a potential shift from a downward trajectory to an upward one. By dissecting the emergence of the bullish engulfing candle, traders are beckoned to contemplate a prudent foray into a long position. This practical application of pattern recognition unveils its power in real-world trading decisions. Crafting your trading symphony. Yet, the art of mastering Forex candlestick patterns transcends mere pattern recognition. It extends into the realm of orchestrating a harmonious symphony of strategy. Similar to a composer meticulously weaving melodies, your trading strategy must interlace threads of risk management, consideration of various timeframes, and the intricate interplay of complementary technical indicators. These elements converge to form a tapestry that validates each decision, forging a symphony of calculated brilliance that guides your trading journey. Unveiling the psychology of candlestick patterns. Beyond the realm of technical paradigms lies the fascinating realm of psychology. Here, a doji is not merely a pattern. It becomes a testament to the human psyche grappling with uncertainty. Grasping this psychological dance can provide a competitive edge, altering the lens through which you perceive and interpret market dynamics. As you embark on this enlightening journey, may the insights gained from unraveling the complexities of Forex candlestick patterns serve as your guiding constellation amidst the vast expanse of the trading cosmos. This voyage into the heart of trading intricacies promises to equip you with the tools to navigate the ever-shifting currents of the Forex market with wisdom and acumen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more engaging videos.